the wait is over. Just listed this beautiful 4-bedroom 3-bathroom pool home in the gated community of Forest Glen. Walk into this grand entryway that's eye-catching and pleasing all the way through the open floor plan to the fully screened pool and large lanai. The home has split bedrooms perfect for guests and privacy. This custom-built West Bay home has upgrades such as 12-feet ceilings, archways, crown molding, oversized baseboards, stacked stone accent wall, huge kitchen island, wainscoting, tray ceiling, plantation shutters on all windows, wood flooring in the bedrooms and a water softener. A must-see gourmet kitchen boasting upgraded cabinetry, built-in oven and microwave, smooth top range, and undermount lighting along with a massive island with beautiful granite. The island has an undermount sink along with more storage and space to allow for seating. You love the outdoor living space with the triple pocket sliders bringing the outdoors in. That is the Florida lifestyle. Super relaxing owner suite, separate walk-in closets, garden tub, double sinks, water closet, walk-in shower, all providing a luxurious master bath experience. The oversized laundry room is just off the 3-car garage. This perfectly sized mudroom has a sink and cabinetry for storage. Tastefully updated landscaping and a fenced-in backyard. With a low HOA and no CDD, this house should be your next home.